Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on April 14, 2026, about 8 days ago. Well, this paper introduces a new language for building AI agents, which are systems where a large language model can use tools to solve goals autonomously, that achieved a 77% success rate on the SWE bench-verified benchmark. The paper is titled AgentSPEX, an agent specification and execution language. And as we'll see in the results later, the implications for creating more controllable and durable AI workflows are quite significant. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Well, while the introduction highlighted the need for more structure, Figure 1 shows how the AgentSPEX architecture actually accomplishes this separation between logic and execution. On the left, the agent definition section allows developers to use readable YAML files or a visual editor to build their workflows. A YAML file is just a structured text format, which makes it easy to specify instructions without writing Python code. Below the definition code, a library of step types provides basic building blocks like loops and branching. To the right, the agent harness serves as the execution engine, managing a durability system to save progress and a sandbox environment for safe tool use. So while Figure 1 showed the architecture, Figure 2 provides a concrete example of an AgentSPEX workflow. The top section handles metadata and configures the agent to use GPT 5.4. Further down, the workflow logic uses specific tasks to organize behavior. Notice the double curly braces, which are mustache-style templates. These placeholders allow the system to swap in data, like search results, so they can be reused in later steps. Well, while Figure 2 showed a specific research agent, Table 1 categorizes the full set of primitives available for building any type of workflow. These primitives are essentially the basic building blocks, or a shared vocabulary, that the system uses to define instructions. At the top, invocation constructs like task and step control, how the agent manages conversation history. Control flow options include branching and loops, which allow the agent to make decisions or repeat actions based on the data it finds. Finally, the state constructs manage context variables, which are named pieces of information that the agent remembers and uses across different steps. Alright, while Table 1 summarized the foundational primitives, Figure 3 illustrates the visual editor interface used to actually build and inspect these agents. On the far left, a library of pre-built nodes, or modular building blocks, allows users to drag and drop components like while loops onto the workspace. The center area then visualizes the complex logic of a deep research agent as an interactive flowchart, which makes it much easier to track the control flow. Finally, the system ensures bidirectional synchronization, so any adjustments made in the graphical flowchart are automatically updated in the YAML code on the right side. Well, while the visual editor simplifies building these agents, Table 2 shows how they actually perform across 7 different benchmarks. A benchmark is a standardized test used to compare AI performance. In scientific and mathematical domains, AgentSPEX consistently beats standard methods like chain of thought, because the explicit control flow reduces reasoning errors. It actually achieved a perfect 100% score on the AIME 2025 math competition. Finally, it reached 77% on the SWE bench verified software test. So, while Table 2 focused on performance scores, Table 3 compares AgentSPEX to other agent building frameworks across 3 key capabilities. The first column lists popular tools, like Autogen and Crew AI, that often lack a visual interface. AgentSPEX stands out as the only framework that supports natural language logic, a visual editor, and explicit context management. This allows developers to precisely control what information the agent receives at each step, which prevents errors during long tasks. Well, AgentSPEX shows that decoupling workflow logic from implementation code makes large language model agents much more reliable and easier to control. This declarative approach allows researchers to build complex systems for expert tasks without needing to write extensive Python code. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.